watched in horror as her best friend was killed by a masked man right outside her door. Seeing him about to break in, she sprinted to the front door and at the last second locked it, activating the full security system. She called the police immediately, but they told her that the heavy rain had blocked the roads, and being in a remote area, the fastest help could arrive was an hour away. On the other end, the operator, Jack, quickly assessed the situation. The security cameras showed only Lisa and her son inside the house. Outside, there were 3 intruders. Jack told them to find a hiding spot immediately. The next second, a bomb was planted on the door. The explosion was deafening, and the blast threw Lisa to the ground. Covering her ears, she grabbed her son and ran. The intruders were already inside. Through the cameras, Jack guided her. 2 men were inside the house, and a woman with a gun was keeping watch outside. They started covering the cameras, showing they had been targeting this family for some time. Thankfully, the house was full of cameras, so Jack could still guide them around the intruders. But then, all signals inside the house went dead. The intruders had brought a signal jammer, cutting off all communications. They pulled out metal detectors, scanning the house as if searching for something specific. Soon, one of them approached the basement. Hearing the footsteps, Lisa shoved her son into the vent and hid herself in the closet. The detector scanned over the vent, then along the wall, and suddenly beeped loudly. He pulled out an axe and hacked into the wall. Inside, he found 2 steel beams. The beams went straight up. The intruder followed them. He triggered a mechanism and a hidden door slowly opened. A safe was revealed. This confirmed it. Their real target was whatever was inside the safe.